Gusto ko lang munang sabihin na ito yung interview na hindi ko gustong gawin. Na hindi sana dumating sa point na kailangan kong gawin. But I know that Buma will not forgive me if I don't do his story. Sa tagal ng pinagsamahan namin, Tita Babes. Pasensya ka na, but
I
I
understand.
know it's a difficult
Okay lang,
time.
okay lang.
I just really need to know how you are and how do you think you will proceed with Bumagan.
I think it hasn't sunk in yet. Kasi marami pang tao. Pero I'm sure if all of this, tapos ako na lang mag-isa sa bahay. I don't know. I really don't know.
Pero lumaban siya, Tita Babes.
Of course, yes. Yes, up to
Kasi
the
ang
end.
tagal niyang nagkasakit eh.
Ang tagal.
Years.